video, we have designed our screen. So this is our screen where we had one label, that is simple calculator. We have used enter first number, enter second number, and then we have used fourth label as result. I have used two text boxes, text box 1, text box 2, and then 4 buttons are there for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now I am going to change the name of these buttons as add button, second button as subtract button, so I'll rename it as subtract button, third button as multiplication button, I'll have mul button. For fourth button, I'll rename it as div button. Why I am doing it? Because when I'll go to the block part and I'll do the programming part for this design, then I should not get confused between these buttons. That is button 1, which is button 1, which is button 2, which is button 3. So if I'm using mul button, then I am knowing it that it is for multiplication. If I'm using div button, then I'm knowing that it is a division button. The last label is for result. I can rename it as result label. Fine. And for text box 1, I can rename it as first number. The second text box, I can have second number. N-U-N. That's it. So I got the first label for simple calculator. For that, I'm not going to have something, and these are the basic design for my simple calculator. Now I'm going to the block part where I'll have my coding part. So click here. So this is the screen. These are the built-in blocks. We have discussed it also. Now I'll scroll down, and these are my other things. So in this particular calculator, I am going to work on all 4 buttons. If anyone want to add 2 numbers, if anyone want to subtract 2 numbers, if anyone want to multiply 2 numbers or numbers, then what will happen? So first of all, I am taking this addition button. Select it. You will get these kind of blocks. So I have told you earlier also, these are known as control blocks. Orange blocks are the control blocks, and these are the action blocks. What control I am using here and what action I can take on that, right? So here I am having the add button. When add button is clicked, right? When this is clicked, what I have to do? I have to set my result text, right? I have to set this test result. Fine. When addition button is clicked, see in the design part, when I have entered the first number, second number, and someone select the plus button, then there should the result should come after the addition of 2 numbers. Let us suppose I have given first number as 10, second number as 20, and I have used this plus button, then result should be 30. So when this particular button is clicked, result label should come into the picture. So I'll select this, and I am having all these actions. For this I have to choose set my result text, set result label text, right? Set this result label text to. This particular block will go here. Right now it is not going here because it is having this particular loop, here I have to insert something. Now I have to perform some mathematical operation here. This result label should have the text. What text? It should have the result of addition of two numbers. Now I have to here use some mathematical operation. For that I am having these built-in blocks. The third number is known as math built-in block. I'll select it, and here I'll having all these functions. See, so I want to add two numbers. I can select this plus function. It goes perfectly inside this. Now if I put this, it is getting properly fitted into this. So I have to add, if someone press add button, then my label of result should be set towards some text. That text should come by adding two numbers. Now from where I am getting these two numbers? From text box 1 and text box 2. The first number is from text box 1 and the second number is from text box 2. So here I have used these text box as first number and second number. Okay. Now I will go to the first number. I'll select this. The first number, the text box should give me some text. Right? Set first number as text. I'm going down. See, this is first number should give some text. So this is the particular block which fits here properly. I'm using the mathematical operation plus, that is addition. When someone click on the plus button, these two numbers should be added and that particular result should be reflected in this label, right? So when my first number, which is of the text, is added to the second number, right? Now I select my second number. See, so now I need second number which should be in the text form. So select again, second number is in the form of text here, and in this way the block programming of first button has been done. Very simple. Now I again go to the plus. This is my addition button. Now I'll go to the subtraction button. When I select it, I'll get the control blocks when subtract button is clicked. So I have to do again the same programming. I have to set the label as text. I can select again to the label or I can duplicate it. Just right click on this particular location. See, I have right clicked and you can have duplicate. So I am having the duplicate of this. The first number, second number is there, but I need here minus sign. So go again to the math component and have some minus function. So this is my minus function. I need this first button here. I need this second number here. Select it and put it here, and this should be removed. You can have this here. So in this way I have done my block programming of subtract button also. Now if I go to the multiply button, I can go here or I can right click here and duplicate it. So select it and here you can select mul button. See, it has been changed. Now I need here multiplication function. Similarly, I can duplicate it and have my division button. See, so add button, subtraction button, multiplication button and division button. Now I need here multiplication sign and here I need division sign. So go to the maths logic and have the multiplication part, and go to the maths part and have the division part. See, I'm using this first number here, I'm using the second number here, taking this to the dustbin and fitting this particular here. Again, I'm having this first number here, second number here, deleting this part. You can have it again from the list, or you can duplicate it, and in this way my particular block programming has been done for this. So I just hope you got your all logics clear here, how I'm doing this programming. I need first number, so for that particular first number I have used the text box. The name of the first text box is the first num. For second text box I have used the second num. By entering these two numbers, user can select any of the button. When one button is selected, it is visible, and when this particular button is clicked by the user, then it should go to the here as a label, and it should display the result of these two things, right? And this is the block coding part of my simple calculator. So in next video I will be showing you the result of this through AI2 Companion.